Hello, guys! Imagine getting Google Gemini Pro worth 19,500 rupees, absolutely free for 12 months. Sounds insane, right? But wait, here's the real shocker. You don't even need a student ID to grab it. Yep, so why pay when you can get it free? Today, I'm revealing a brand new trick to claim 1 year of Google Gemini Pro in India, completely free. And trust me, once you know this method, you'll thank yourself for watching till the very end. But before I spill the beans, let's understand what this Gemini Pro actually is. Think of it like this. It's not just an AI assistant. It's your personal researcher, your video creator, your study buddy, and on top of that, 2 terabytes of free Google Drive storage bundled together. All of this is worth 19,500 baht, and guess what? You're getting it without paying a single rupee. Here's the deal. Google has launched a special back-to-school offer in India. College students are supposed to get Gemini Pro free for a year. Normally, Google checks your student ID through sheer ID verification. The thoughtful say, but what if you don't have a student ID? Well, don't worry, because I've cracked a secret method where you can still grab this deal. But before we dive in, if you think this content has value, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. It really helps me bring you more amazing hacks like this. All right, let's jump onto my computer screen and I'll walk you through step by step. First, go to the website. The link is in the description. Check your eligibility. If you're eligible, great. If not, don't panic because I've got a backup trick for you. Here's what you need to do. Go to incognito mode and create a new Gmail account. On a new Gmail, this offer always works, 100% sure. Once your new Gmail is ready, just follow my steps. Click on Verify Eligibility. Now you'll have to fill in some information carefully. So let's fill these details. Step 1, select your country as India. Step 2, enter your college, university name. Or you can just use a random one, as I have show. Step 3, enter your full name. Again, random names also work. For example, I'll just use Deepak Kumar. Now for date of birth, important note. Select any year between 2000 and 2004. I'll select 20th January 2001. Now comes the big twist. Most people make mistakes in the student ID email. They enter their personal email or emails that Google can easily detect. Here's the trick. Take the first letters of your first and last name, then add your birth date, birth month, and birth year. After that, type inkymp.gov.in. So mine looks like this. dp.2001120001@inkmp.gov.in. Fill this carefully because this is what Google verifies. Next up, generating the student ID card. If you don't have one, just Google Student ID Card Maker and click on the second website. I've also given the link in the description. Enter the same details, name, DOB, college name. Upload a photo. You can use any random photo if you want. Select your class or course. Enter a roll number. Make sure it matches the email you created earlier. Once filled, click Create Card. Now upload this student ID card wherever Google asks for proof. Once you submit the student ID proof, it'll verify. It will take 5 to 20 seconds. And boom, you're verified. You'll see the Get Student Offer button. Hit that. For payment options, select UPI. Enter your details and submit. And here's the fun part. The page will show that you're getting a 12-month free trial. It'll even show a date when billing starts, but don't worry, no money will ever be deducted. Just to verify, Google will deduct 2 rupee, but it will get refund once your account is verified. Let's scan and wait for 5 to 20 seconds. And boom, we've got Gemini Pro for free with the shiny Pro badge unlocked. And for those who still face issues, you can comment below or you can DM me and I'll help you 100%. Finally, don't forget to cancel autopay. Go to Subscriptions, select Gemini Pro, cancel autopay. Second step. In case you have paid through GPay then, go to GPay, cancel autopay. Don't worry, canceling autopay does not cancel your free 1-year subscription. It only ensures you won't be charged after the year ends. So in today's video, we learned how to get Google Pro free account, how to generate a student ID, how to verify accounts, how to claim Gemini Pro free for 1 year, how to enable UPI accounts, and finally, how to cancel autopay safely. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for all new notifications.